Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In our today's session we'll start throughput and loss in a packet switching. But before we'll start, let's revise our previous lecture. In our previous lecture we have learned different types of network delay like propagation delay, transmission delay, queuing delay and processing delay. So I hope now you all are clear with what is delay and types of delay. So let's start our today's session. So in today's session we'll learn throughputs in packet switching. So what is the throughput is? So network throughput refers to how much data can be transferred from source to destination within a given time frame. A throughput measures how many packets arrives at their destination successfully. Throughput is a good way to measure the performance of the network connection because it tells you how many messages are arrived at their destination successfully. If the majority of the messages are delivered successfully, then throughput will be considered high. In contrast, a low rate of successful delivery will be result in the lower throughput. So it means we can say that if bandwidth of our network is very high, then mostly the data packet is travel very fast and reach to the destination successfully. So we can say that throughput is very high if bandwidth is high and throughput is low if bandwidth is low. So let's understand throughput with one simple example. So suppose there is one server and there is one AND device. Yes. So what is the throughput means? Throughput means number of messages or the number of packets successfully delivered to the destination. So here sender is a server and receiver is the AND device. Sender sends these 4 data packets to the AND device. Yes. So suppose these 4 data packets successfully reaches to the AND device within 1 second. Okay, so we can say that it takes 1 second to successfully reaches to the AND device. So therefore throughput equals to 4 packets per second. So now we can understand that if 4 packets successfully received at the AND device in the 1 second, then the throughput is called the 4 packets. So suppose there is a 5 data packets and this 5 data packet reaches to the AND device within 1 second, then the throughput is 5 packets per second. So here throughput means how many data packets are received at the receiver host or received at the AND device successfully without any loss. So that is called the throughput. Now the next term we have to understand is what is a loss. So packet loss occurs when one or more packets of data traveling across a computer networks fail to reach their destination. Packet loss is either caused by an error in data transmission, typically across a wireless network or the network congestion. Packet loss is measured as a percentage of packet lost with respect to packet sent. So we cannot say that if we send 5 packets, then all that 5 packets successfully reaches to the destination. In some situation, it may be possible that some of the packets may drop. So this dropped packet is called the loss in the packet switching. Yes. So in figure we can say that the from sender device there are multiple data bits are sent to the receiver host, but in the network some of the bits may be lost or some of the bits may be dropped. So this is called the loss in the packet switching. Yes. So what are the reason for the loss in the packet switching? So there are several reasons. That misconfiguration of the sender host. So it may possible that if our host is not properly configured in the network, then some of the data packet may be lost. Second is faulty connection. When I sent the data, at that time my connection was break. So that is the reason for loss. The third is unwanted traffic, or it is called the congestion. Yes. Suppose in one network line there are 1000 GBs of data may be passed. So in that case, if data is very much, so it creates a traffic. So in that situation, data packets may be lost. Next is outdated device. If some devices are outdated or it has some lower version than the required version, yes, then lower version than the required version. So in that case, it may possible that our data packets may be lost. Okay. Some DDoS attacks. So these are the types of attack that may be happen in our network. So that we'll learn in our security subject. But it may possible that some attackers attacked on our network. So in that case, our data may be lost, or that is stolen by the attacker. So in that kind of situation, data packets may be lost. More data than device can handle. Okay, so it may possible that if device has the capacity to handle a 1 GB of data, but we send the data of 5 GB and we send a 5 GB of data. So in that situation, data only a 1 GB data it can be handled, and other 4 GB of data may be lost. So that is another reason for the packet loss. Next reason is a distance. If distance between sender and receiver is very large, so in that situation a data packet has to travel from different network to reaches to the destination. So in that case, it switch from one network to another network. So in that situation, data packet may be lost. Or the last is software issue. But if I received all the data packets successfully, but in my device there is some issue, so in that case data packets may be lost. So these are the reason to lose the data packet. Now I will giving you one demo. For that I open command prompt. So in command prompt there is one command which is a ping. Okay, and I ping for the specific IP. So suppose I ping on 127.0.0.1. yes. So we can see that on this side, this IP sends a 4 data packet, which is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So sent packets are 4. We received that 4 data packet. Yes. So in that situation, loss is 0. Yes, because they send a 4 data packets and we received a 4 data packets. So on that situation, packet loss equals to 0. But if I ping on one another IP which is a 10.0.0.1, then because this IP is not active, so request is time out, and after that we can see that they sent a 4 data packet. Yes, but we received 0. So in that situation, loss is 4, because in that case 100% loss is created. So they send the data packets, but we cannot access that IP. So in that situation, we are not receiving any data packet. So here loss is 4 data packets. Yes. So in some situation, if there is more traffic, or there are other reasons that we have seen, so in that situation data packets may be lost. It is not compulsory that data packets is lost every time, but no, on that some situation data packets may be lost. So this is 2 terms, throughput and loss. So throughput measures how many packets arrive at their destination successfully, and the loss means the packet loss occurs when one or more packets of data traveling across a computer network fail to reach the destination. Okay, so the difference is in the throughput, we are receiving data packets successfully at the host end, while in the loss, data packets are fail to reach their destination. So that is the loss and throughput. So thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.